Hello everyone, so this is how I reroot a different way than usual. This time around I had to dye some hair for this commission I got, and I am running out of hair. Actually I don't have any long blue hair left, and I'm kind of stuck with the gradient I made, so I have to improvise. And what I did is that I secured one end using super glue and a zip tie. There was actually a twist tie before the zip tie, so I did 2 rounds of super glue because I removed the twist tie for a zip tie instead, because I wanted to fuse the zip tie to the hair with more super glue, which that's what I did, and that's how it looks. And yeah, this is what it looks so far. The tail is a good thickness for this here, so I don't need to add more hair to it, but this is how I'm going to reroot it, because I have to do it differently, so because this is not gonna go through at all, like not at all. So what I do is a piece of wire, fold it in half, and a string that's strong enough to pull on it. I'm using this thinner yarn I have here. I'm just going to go through from the outside. This is technically how I usually reroot tails, but I don't use a single piece of yarn. I usually use a bundle of hair. I'm going to pull this loop of yarn through. Going to zoom in a little bit. There we go. So now I have a loop that's inside the body of the pony. And what I'm going to do is put the hair through it, mostly the ends of it, and I'm going to pull on it, and if it's a little too thick I can pull slightly and hopefully make it go through. I did it once, I should be able to do it again. Come on. There it is. 1, 2, there you go. With a little bit of strength it went through. And zooming it out a little bit, and now you just pull on it to secure it in place. And I feel like there's like a couple of hairs that are bent inside the body. There you go. Ta-da! And this is how I reroot tails when I run out of hair. Oh, actually there's one straight here. That's fine.